continue with our circus activities. Today, Mr. Pedro is going to show you how to make a special toy with simple objects that you can find at home. This toy is used in some circus shows and you can use at home to play it. The name of this toy is balangandan. Are you guys ready to learn? Let's go! You will need a sheet of paper, tape, colorful ribbons, and a string. First thing that you're going to do is to fold the paper 3 times. Then you can take the pieces of the colorful ribbons and put it all together, set right in the middle of the paper. With a tape, fix them right in the middle of the paper. You have to fold again the paper until you have a small square or a rectangle. Use the tape again to fix the folded paper together. You will see that we got a space between the folded paper. You will pass the string right in the middle of this hole. And tie it with a knot. You can paint, color, or glue colorful papers to decorate. At the end of the string, you can make a little circle to put your finger inside.